Welcome to your Money Monday.
Are you using your YouTube account to its fullest? Hey, I'm Rich Motts. Welcome to Money Monday, session 177. You know what? It came to me over the last few weeks. A few weeks back here, I was going over YouTube a lot, and I didn't explain the basic logistics of how to get started and really use it and download your videos, etc. to YouTube, and just, where to start. So I ask realtors all the time if they're using their YouTube channel, and what do you think their response is? They go, heck, I don't even know if I have a YouTube channel. So let me tell you, if your company's like ours and your email is supported through a Google suite, and even though your email is company specific, like mine is rmotts@cutlerhomes.com, it could be hosted by a Google suite, and then yes, you have a YouTube account if you have Google driven email of any type. Now, if you're not sure and you want to just start a new YouTube account, this is how I find it easiest to do so. You just Google how to set up, so I always say Google how to set up a Gmail account. You follow those instructions, set it up, and then log in. You'll see the waffle board, those dots on the top there, I call it the waffle board, in the top right corner that you click on, and then it will highlight and access all your other Google services, such as, you have them here, right here, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Maps, Google Calendar, Google Photos, Google Play, Google News, Google Finances, Google Shopping, and dozens of more applications that Google offers you. So great ways to utilize Google. But today we're focusing on YouTube actually. And as I've stated, you have to have great presence on the #2 search engine in the world to have great presence on the #1 search engine in the world, which of course is Google. So start out by having your marketing department or someone on Fiverr.com, that's Fiverr.com, log onto that and put it in a search bar to search for services actually to make you a custom YouTube banner, and even banners for your Facebook, Google, Twitter, and so on. Upload that new banner to your YouTube account so when visitors visit that page, it looks great. I actually shoot all my videos on my iPad, and then I download them into my Google Drive right from the iPad. So then I can share them online with my Fiverr service that edits my green screen actually. So I provide my script for placing the script on the video. So the script you see below me right here as it follows my words, that script is placed on there. And then I do a script with a picture or video placement. So actually where I want the pictures or videos to appear behind me on my green screen throughout my video, then I upload all the pictures that I want behind me into a PowerPoint and attach that information to my green screen production and video editing services that I use on Fiverr. So when I get the video back from my Fiverr provider, I download it into my computer and then I go to my YouTube account first. You press on the camera that has the plus sign in it in the top right area of your YouTube account and click on upload video right there. You click on the select files to upload then, and of course you want to leave that public right there to get the maximum exposure for your videos. Now today when I did this, I actually noticed that YouTube is saying a new way to upload videos is coming soon. Try it now. So I actually clicked on that today, and it just gives you a little different of a look, but it's going to give you the same results and ways to actually download your video, and it walks you right through it. After the video downloads, you publish it and add descriptions of the video you want. The cool thing is that YouTube allows you then, after you have set up the link to your accounts actually, to press one click to the post via a link to your YouTube account. So this does it to Facebook, it does it to a lot of different things I'll go over here in a minute, but I want to remind you, do not press the link to Facebook with one click because you need to download Facebook separately and make it unique because it keeps your algorithms up better in Facebook. Facebook and YouTube are enemies, they don't like each other. And they're going to get you the best results if you download them separately. YouTube and Facebook download separately. However, the thing I like about YouTube a lot is right here, that you can in one click click onto and link into your LinkedIn, your Twitter, your Blogger account, your Reddit account, your Tumblr account, and your Pinterest. They can be downloaded in one click, and I do this weekly with my videos. So it's bam, they get right on there, get going real nice. Besides that, reach out to your sphere of influence and all your contacts and ask them to join your YouTube channel and actually become a follower. And how do you really build your YouTube channel? Good content. If you get good content on your channel, you will get all kinds of followers, and weekly traffic. How do I know? If you take a look at mine, I get like 6,000 to 16,000 views a week on my videos that I post. And my most popular platform is YouTube. And I believe in YouTube a lot, obviously, I've been talking about it, because YouTube is today's TV channel. So I hope you like this video. Remember, it's real important for you to take action. If you want some more information on how to get started on YouTube channel, reach out to me. I'm Rich Motts, and I will see you next Monday. Thanks so much, everyone. You have a good day.